Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Have some nice conditions across the area this morning, seeing temperatures mild for this time of year, as has been the last several days. We'll see those warm temperatures continuing throughout the rest of the week. We'll see fair conditions today, no chance of precipitation or lightning. There's some slightly breezy winds this afternoon out of the northwest. Otherwise, we'll see good conditions across the region. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 7,800 feet, winds out of the west and low levels and fairly strong at around 35 knots and becoming more northwesterly, and between 20 and 30 knots between 3,000 and 6,000 feet. And then seeing winds increase up to 113 knots out of the west-northwest at 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, cold front well off to our south. We have an area of low pressure across the southern Great Plains. It's going to be moving towards the Great Lakes tonight and tomorrow. We'll have a warm front move through our region tonight and then a cold front through for Thursday evening. That's going to give us a chance of some rainfall, especially for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see mostly clear skies across the region this morning, some good conditions across the area. Going to see, in general, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies today, so some good conditions across the region. Taking a look at the HRRR model for the next 48 hours. This is Thursday morning at 10 a.m. You can see the rain showers starting to move towards the region and through the area. So it looks like we should see some rain showers and scattered in variety tomorrow. And then once we move into the evening hours, here's 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and then 8 p.m. Here, you can see this broken line of showers. Very slight chance of a bit of thunderstorm across the region for Thursday evening. Going to see some breezy prefrontal winds as well out of the south, the south-southwest. So looking like those rain shower chances will be best with this cold frontal passage, and that'll happen right just before midnight on Thursday into Friday. And take a look at the European model for the long range here. Here's Thursday. You can see the rain showers moving through the region with that cold front and this weak area low pressure kind of moving through the region on and north of the area Thursday evening. And then for Friday, looks like we'll have high pressure building in from the west. This area low pressure will continue to move off to the north and east. We'll see a fairly tight pressure gradient across the region, some cooler conditions on Friday afternoon. And then for Saturday, once we move into the weekend, looking like we'll have high pressure and control for our Saturday. Good conditions in general across the region. Be slightly chilly on Saturday, more towards seasonal averages. Then for Sunday, we'll see an area low pressure develop over the coastal plain and move through the region. That's going to give us a good chance of rainfall for late Saturday and into late Sunday into Monday. And that's going to provide us with some rainfall across the region. Most likely see a good amount of rainfall with this area low pressure moving through. See a fairly strong area low pressure as well down to 985 across New England on Monday morning. Continue to move off to the north and east. And then for Monday evening, you can see here pressure gradient still fairly tight across the region, but it will continue to decrease as we move into the evening hours on Monday here, 7 p.m. You can see high pressure starting to build in. In general, good conditions for our sensible weather across the region, just some slightly breezy winds. And then we move into Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. Here's Tuesday, another area low pressure quickly developing across its deep south and then moving towards our region for Wednesday morning. And you can see here quickly moves through the region with another round of rainfall. Most likely we'll see a good amount of rainfall with this again on Wednesday. And then looks like after that appears we should see some drying conditions across the region for late next week. But we'll continue to monitor the forecast as that's getting out past 7 days. Our high today will be around 57 degrees, low tonight at 38. Northwesterly winds gusting as high as 22 knots today, so slight chance of seeing a wind advisory, but overall should be underneath 25 knots, or under 25 knots, I should say. Overnight, we'll see light winds in general out of the north and then variable less 3 to 6 knots. Our 24-hour return forecast is going to see VFR conditions today with just a good amount of cirrus cloudiness across the region. But overall, seeing that cloud cover increase overnight with that warm front moving through the region. Not going to see any rainfall with that warm front, but just increase the cloud cover, especially around 10,000 feet. And by tomorrow morning, 8 local, should see some cloudy skies across the region. Slight chance of a rain shower as well as we move past 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Our tides are half foot above normal currently, and looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly cloudy, overcast to mild, scattered rain showers across the region. We'll see slightly breezy winds by late afternoon. And we'll see a high 56 degrees for Thursday night. Rain showers likely until midnight, with a very slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm as well. Then clearing overnight, breezy, low 46. And for Friday, looking like dry conditions across the region, mostly sunny, partly cloudy skies, breezy winds, high 55 degrees. Those rain showers look likely on Thursday and Thursday night. Not going to see a lot of total precipitation, but we'll see some rain showers in the region. We get high-end orange categories here, so 67% of seeing that rainfall over the area. Then we'll see those winds as well on Friday. Looks like a good chance of a wind advisory by late Friday morning. The next 7 days, we'll see the pattern very similar. So dry conditions a day, and the scattered rain showers on Thursday. 2 days of dry weather with a mild day on Friday, cooler day on Saturday. Once again, rain on Sunday, a mild day on Monday, and then cooler on Tuesday with possibility of rainfall late in the day. Right now, Monday does look like a good weather day across the region, other than the breezy winds early in the day. We'll continue to monitor the weather pattern for late Monday and into early next week. But right now, it looks like Monday should be a decent day across the region. But overall, hope everyone has a great day today and a good rest of the week. We'll be back at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.